Alrighty, I'm going to show you how you can edit the lock screen clock on your Motorola phone. To do this, we first go to the lock screen, and then you can just press and hold an empty space on the lock screen, and you'll see this button appear that says Customize Lock Screen. So we're going to tap that button, and then just authenticate to unlock your phone. You'll get this menu here where you can customize all your lock screen elements, and first we'll just tap the clock. And you'll see this menu appear at the bottom that shows you different clock faces. So I could tap this one, and it completely changes the look of the clock. Or this one, there's a couple of different options. Some of these allow you to add a couple of little widgets next to the clock, and some of them give the clock itself a lot more space. And then, if you want to edit the font and color and things like that, we'll just tap the clock again, and now we have a Styles and Colors option at the bottom. So I could change the style to a different looking font here, or I can give my clock a completely different color. There's not a ton of options here for customizing it, but it does give you some flexibility. You'll also notice, if I tap this again and bring the clock faces up, let's say I want to go with this one. Now, if I tap the clock again, not only can I change the color, but there's a couple of different styles here as well. So I could change it to this analog-looking clock. And these widgets can be edited too. I could even delete them if I don't like them. But that space for the widgets stays the same, which is kind of a bummer, because I'd love to be able to resize and reposition the clock. But pretty sure that's not possible. So that's basically how you edit the clock in a nutshell. Once you're done, you'll just go back, and now when I go to my lock screen, I have the new look for my clock. And that's how you edit the lock screen clock on your Motorola phone. Click that like button if this video helped you, share with a friend who needs help with this, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.